Families have a lot going on. Let Ollie help manage the mental load with new cognitive help supplements for everyone 4 and up, like delicious Lolly Focus Pops or Lolly Mellow Pops for kids. And for parents, try 3 new Brainy Chews to help you focus, chill out, or get energized. Find these cognitive health buddies for the whole fam at ollie.com. That's OLLY.com. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Hello and welcome to Bytes of Health, where we hope to take a bite out of your parent worries each day with sound advice and guidance. Every morning, we'll answer a commonly asked pediatric question in 5 minutes or less. I'm Dr. Jess Steyer, a public health scientist, and for this episode, I am solo. Today, we are going to talk about vaccine ingredients and some myths and misconceptions. The clock is ticking, so let's get to it. So there's a lot of misinformation about vaccine ingredients online. Can you clarify what's actually in vaccines and address some common concerns? So vaccines contain a variety of ingredients that work together to stimulate the immune system and protect against specific diseases. These ingredients include antigens, which are weakened or inactivated parts of germs, preservatives, stabilizers, and adjuvants, which are substances that enhance the immune response. Some people worry about the presence of aluminum and mercury in vaccines. Are these ingredients harmful? So the concerns about aluminum and mercury are largely based on misinformation. While it is true that these elements can be toxic in high doses, the amounts that may be found in some vaccines are extremely small and pose no health risk. In fact, we are exposed to far greater amounts of aluminum through food and the environment, and mercury is naturally present in breast milk and some fish. The type of mercury used in some vaccines, ethyl mercury in the form of thimerosal, is quickly eliminated from the body and does not accumulate. Are there any other ingredients in vaccines that parents should be aware of? So some vaccines may contain trace amounts of formaldehyde, antibiotics, or egg protein. These ingredients are used in very, very small quantities and have been extensively studied and proven safe. Formaldehyde, for example, is naturally produced by our bodies in larger amounts than what's found in vaccines. How are vaccine ingredients regulated and tested for safety? So, vaccine ingredients are rigorously tested for safety and effectiveness before they're approved for use. The FDA sets strict standards for vaccine manufacturing and requires extensive clinical trials to ensure their safety and efficacy. And then, even after vaccines are released, there's extensive surveillance conducted to continuously monitor their safety and efficacy. Where can parents find reliable information about vaccine ingredients and safety? So the best sources of information are reputable organizations like the CDC, the World Health Organization, and of course, your child's pediatrician. These sources provide evidence-based information that is free from fear-mongering and misinformation. And just one more note for parents of kiddos who may have egg allergies. I did want to share that there are egg-free vaccines, for example, egg-free flu vaccines available. So for flu vaccines, there are actually 2 egg-free options in the US. There's the Flublok quadrivalent vaccine, which is a recombinant vaccine approved for people 18 years and older. And there's the Flucelvax quadrivalent vaccine, which is a cell-based vaccine approved for people 6 months and older. Now, these vaccines are made without using eggs in the production process, making them safe options for people with egg allergies. But I also wanted to point out that the CDC actually recommends that anyone with an egg allergy can receive any flu vaccine that is appropriate for their age and health status, regardless of the severity of their allergy. This includes both egg-based and egg-free vaccines. So I hope you learned something today. And remember, we have lots more to share. You can get your bite of health every day, Monday through Friday. And if you like what you've heard here, please let us know. Leave us a review on Apple and be sure to tell your friends. Remember, there is no single or best way to parent. Parenting is a journey, and we are all just doing our very best. We wish you happy, healthy, and stress-free parenting.